Hello technician, how are we doing today guys? Let me quickly show you what's going on with this unit here in Bay City. We realize this unit should be pulling a higher amperage. When you look at the compressor, it shows that it needs the rated load amp is 20.2, like that is when the unit is running, right? So let's look at it real quick to make sure that the value doesn't go beyond 20.2. See that 23, 22, 24 is between 23 to 24, 25. So it's kind of like pulling higher amperage. This compressor is pulling higher amperage than normal. So the rated amp is high. But looking at the unit itself, you see how dirty the unit is. Right, look at the core. But the compressor is pulling higher amperage than normal.